If a woman tells you that size doesn't matter, she lied. The thicker a penis, the more stimulation it causes to the nerve endings in a woman's vaginal walls. The longer a penis, the easier it is for it to hit the A spot located near the woman's cervix. This is the spot that is responsible for giving a woman back-to-back orgasms. When you know this, you understand that size clearly matters. The question is, what do you do if your penis is not thick enough or long enough to give your woman the pleasure she secretly wants? I'm going to show you the same thing I showed my last two boyfriends. It's a type of masturbation that can increase the girth and length of your penis, usually in just a few weeks. The link to the technique is in the description area below this video. I usually have my boyfriend watch it, then we try it out after. It makes the sex much better for me, but I have yet to see a man remain humble after his dick gets bigger. So don't let it go to your head, or it won't matter how big your dick is, women will be turned off by your arrogance. Thank you for watching this video. Click the link below and start practicing the routine. Good luck, gentlemen.